ARS Roofing FAQ number 4. Can I DIY my roof? Hello everyone, it's Team ARS again, and today is our 4th Roofing FAQ segment. On behalf of the Affordable Roofing Systems team, we'd like to thank you for your questions about roofing. As one of the leading roofing contractors in the Tampa Bay area, it's our pleasure to help you make more informed decisions. Today's FAQ, can I DIY my roof? The most straightforward answer is yes, it is possible. But even if you are an avid handyman, roofing can present many challenges and hassles. Depending on the project, you may find that it takes much longer than you expected. We recommend hiring an experienced professional to ensure a safe, successful, fast, and hassle-free roofing project. If you have other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. Get the peace of mind you deserve. Affordable Roofing Systems understands that experience and quality matter. Call us now at 813-542-8462 to get a free quote.